Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got the Marvellous Marble collaboration. This one is hosted by Skull Lover Nails and Polished Opinions. Losing my mind here. Our theme was leather and lace, black, white, and red. It's going to be a long one, y'all. I'm doing the Painted Desert Extra Short Almond Nails today, and I'm going to apply some orally sticky base to this to help the polishes stick to it pretty well. And I know I needed to be water marbling, but today with it being a little more than just colors, I'm going to do some stamping. So I've got bases loaded lacquer shutout and Braves Diva Chippers ACL. And then I've also got bases loaded lacquer on the black. So I'm going to paint some of the nails white, some red, some black. And we are going to do some like double stamping today. I've got to get in my marble part of it, but I also wanted to add the lace to it. So we're just going to do it a little different. So I'm painting, I believe I'll do 3 nails white, 1 black, and 1 red. And I was really excited about this because I do like the red, black, and white look on a manicure. I think they're cool. Going backwards on that little nail. And 1 more nail in the white, and we'll get on to some other colors. So before I forget, I should have hashtags, links, list of participants, all that kind of stuff down in the description box. And this one's a little kind of jelly-like, jelly-ish. I guess this would be a bona fide acrylic. And it does get pretty opaque. And you guys know this black could be a one coater. I mean, I talk about it every time I use it, just about. Her white and her blacks and her creams are just, oh, lovely. Alright, so I've decided to do a second coat because I'm so extra. And I'm gonna, I guess, painfully make you watch all of it too. I don't know if I'm leaving too much in these videos now or what people want, shorter, longer, I don't know. So today's video, you're getting the full deal, the full Monty, all the coats. But yeah, I definitely wanted to up my game and do the marbling part of the marbling collab, but I also really wanted to squeeze in, I really wanted to do leather and lace, but I only was managing the lacy part of it. Pretty happy about it though. And I already know what they look like in the end, and I'll tell you, I'm pretty happy with what happened, how it worked out. But I so should could have got away with the 1 coat on the black and the white. But we're all done now, so it's okay. We're good. I'm going to top these with I&M out the door. I get this from Sally's Beauty Supply or Amazon. I used to buy it from Sally's, but I don't even walk in there anymore because I'm too tempted to buy other stuff. So I just have started ordering like 5 at a time off of Amazon. Because I do love this stuff. It's a thinner, quick dry base coat. Glossy and all that. I love it for my in-between on my manicures. Not my final top coat, typically. But it totally could be used as your final top coat. But like I said, I'm so extra. I gotta have the, thin top coats and the thick, glossy, plump, juicy top coats too. Here we go with Nicole Diary, and this is 076. And I'm not using this polish. I realize that it's wrong, and I'll be using the opaque white and the opaque black from SheModern, as well as these glitter pixies. They're the hollow red and black. I'm going to use this opaque black, not this watercolor one. Glad I caught that in time. But we're going to do some stamping. And I'm using the sticky stamping polishes because that's how I'm going to get the glitter pixie powder to stick to the nails. So this is the marbling part on this manicure for some of it. You'll see. Girl, all these nails have gotten stuff on them. Glitter, stamping some more. We just go crazy with this one. I cleaned my stamper off on a lint roller, and I'm cleaning my stamping plate here with some acetone. And then we're going to hop in and pull some more marble. And I didn't have to be in a rush for this because I'm using the sticky stamping polishes from SheModern. You can take your time. They work great for pigments, powders, glitters, all of that good stuff. Chromes. You can have time to get your stamping done and then go in with whatever product you're using. Alright, get this all cleaned up with some acetone. Get a little matte clean. See, you got time to do this stuff too. I have time to do my cleanup. And now we're going to tap some of this glitter onto the nail, and then I'm going to kind of tap it in with my finger. Move it around. Try to get everything that's sticky covered. I'm picking some up off the paper towel. And then we're going to add some more. And tap that in. I probably should have used a red stamping polish, but I thought the white might help make it really pop. And I'm okay with it. It's okay. So we're going to break out a little dusty brush here and dust off some of the fallout, the excess. And then we're going to do the other nail. Just tap those on. Like I said, this is a SheModern collaboration, so I'm trying to use some different stuff from SheModern, some of the things in my collection. And, you know, so give it some justice here with the products. And I do have a discount code. It's listed down in the description box if you want to go check out some SheModern stuff, like the sticky stamping polishes or the glitters. Alright, so we're back to on the black from Bases Loaded Lacquer, and we're just going to do some regular stamping. I'm not adding glitters or powders to this one. Roll it, pick it up, grab a nail tip, and ta-da! That looks so cool all on its own. Clean that stamper off again. And now we're going to clean this stamping plate up with some acetone. Get that wiped down. And I'm having to pause this in between doing my voiceover. I have got a tickle in my throat causing me to cough and even sneezing. It's that time of year, people. It's the sneezing for the season. Lovely. So, but we are playing nails, not talking about sinuses. So we're going to get that cleaned up real quick. And I do believe this is the last one we've got to stamp with the marble part of this manicure. Because yes, there's more. We're going to do some more to these. And these look so cool just like this, but we're going to keep playing. I am cleaning my scraper card off on the edge, and I try to get everything cleaned as I go. Because I'm going to use that scraper card here in just a moment for some other stuff, and I don't want there to be any polish left on the scraper card either. So I'm cleaning everything up. The little mat, stamping plate, all of it. Got to get it all cleaned up. Wiping it down with some alcohol. Alright, Beauty Big Bang XL035. This is my lace part of it. I'll be using Bases Loaded Lacquer Shutout again. And we're going to do some, little bit of French tips on some, and then, well, we'll see. We'll see how we feel. But I really want to do some lacy patterns. Yeah, I'm going to do some like French tipping on some of it and full coverage on some of the other nails. So, looks like we're doing the French tip on the glittered out nails. So that'll be the red nail and the black nail. I can get it together. Gotta get that plate cleaned up real quick before we jump in again. Make sure I got my card on the right side. Pick that image up, clean up the excess with a little piece of tape, and grab that nail tip and line it up. And y'all, this is so tricky for me, but I did pretty good. Alrighty. Clean that stamper off. Now I'll be using Maniology, and this one is Winterberry. It's kind of like a reddish pink with some shimmer in it. I just figured this would be fun to play with. That, and it was in my untrieds, so we're trying to work our way through all that good stuff. Use all the things. Don't just buy them, use them. Try to line that up. I want that to be kind of straight across there. And this might be a busy manicure for some people. This is kind of stuff I like. I mean, I'm not saying I don't like the more low-key, not so in your face. I like those too, but I want a manicure you can see you did something. I want them colors jumping out at you. And this one does. And I know this is a little bit longer than normal, but there was a lot of steps to this one. We've got kind of really 3 different nail looks with the different colors and stuff, so I wanted to share all of it. Here we go. Oh, the little heart one. Yeah, that's cute. I like that one. That's a cute image. I will also try to leave links to the products that I use that are available. If I don't have them listed down there, that means they're no longer being sold, or I couldn't find them anywhere. Throw them a little cotton ball in my little plastic snap closed lid thing so I can keep the smell from sticking up the room so bad. I love that. That works so good. It's kind of like an old Kraft Parmesan macaroni, or not macaroni, but Parmesan cheese container. Mine had breadcrumbs in it, but I love that it snaps closed and I can put all that stinky stuff down in there. Alright, the SheModern Clear Matte Sealer Stamping Polish. I love this stuff. I love how it goes matte, very matte, so that you know when it's dry. Just makes life so much easier. No more guessing or tapping it with my finger and messing it up to see if it's dry yet. I love this stuff. I got hooked on this because of Girly Nails 66. Oops, I knocked them over. They're okay. She fell in love with this stuff and just kept talking about it and showing it and using it all the time. And I was like, oh, I got to get some. And I do. I'm with her. I love this stuff. A little crazy on that one. I like it though. Like I said, these are busy and it's not everybody's cup of tea, but it's what I did and I wanted to share it. I hope you enjoy my insanity with the nail choices sometimes, because this one is kind of off the wall. I'll admit it. Alright. Well, while those dried matte, I decided I was going to top them with the Anchor and Heart. And I did that off camera, and then I just decided they needed to be matte nails. So here we go with a matte set. Doesn't happen often, but I love it. And I hope you loved it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.